We're here at 3050 Beacon Boulevard in West Sacramento, California. Possibly in Montgomery. Ooh, that thing was sitting up there. The door is like, what is that, violet? Nothing else in this building. Okay. Oh yeah, it's Montgomery. Oh, Capitol elevator. Capitol installed Montgomery. Look at that. What the hell is this? Interesting black. Anyway, hit 2. Interesting. This is like a bigger Capitol elevator. It's got a nice. Let's go one more time. Oh, nice. It's got a simple controller. Let's see if this optical eye works. Yep. That's cool. Yeah.
It looks cool.
Yeah, look, you can see it. Okay, let's go. I wish that bell didn't ding all the time. But so, this is a basic wooden cab. Buzzy light. Montgomery emergency. 2 E's in case of fire button. Cricket certificate. Okay, I guess we'll go back down.
Like the indicator.
Yeah. It's a nice elevator. Hopefully, it's out here.